Hello student, I will start my lecture by the first with the position of a point with respect to a circle. That is, if we have a circle like this is a circle C, and if we have a point like Px1 and y1, then how we can find that this point lies on the or inside the circle. That is, the if we put the equation of the circle in the this point P1, that is, we can write C of x1 and y1 instead of x and y. If we get greater than 0, it is simply means outside. That is, the point P is P x1 y1 is outside the circle. If the C x1 and y1 is equals to 0, that means on the circle, and if C of x2 not x2 is the x1 y1 is less than 0, then it is inside the circle. Okay, now I will discuss more about the tangent line. Okay, that is tangent of a circle. Tangent of a circle. I will start that some interesting fact about tangent is that if you draw two tangent, okay, on this circle like this and this, and the center is this, if we join this point and this point and also these 2 point, then the angle made by this tangent segment, okay, 2 tangent segment will be theta, both will be theta, that is same angle. Also the length of the tangent segment will be also equal, and this angle will be also same as alpha. Okay, and another interesting fact about tangent of the circle is that if we have a circle like this and take a line such that from the point P that it lines cut the circle at the point E and B, and the tangent is PT, okay, then if we multiply PA into PB, then we get PT square. Okay, now I will move to the what is the equation of this tangent. Like if we have a circle of the equation like x square plus y square is equals to a square, that is the center is origin, that is the 0 0, and radius is a, and if a line y is equals to mx plus c will be a tangent to this straight line if c is equals to plus minus a into root of 1 plus m square. Okay, like if this is the tangent line, if this is the P and this is T, then the equation of this tangent line will be y is equals to mx, and C will be such that it is satisfied that a into root of 1 plus m square. Okay, and the contact point, that is the coordinate of T is nothing but point of contact or contact point, and its coordinates is nothing but from this equation of circle and equation of tangent will be minus plus a square m by c and plus minus a square by c. Okay, and what is the length of this tangent, that is the P to T? and length of the tangent is nothing but this length of PT is nothing but root of S1. And what is the S1? S1 is nothing but the tangent line from which it is generated. That is if we consider the coordinate of P is nothing but x1 and y1, that is this tangent line is generated by this point and terminated at T, then the tangent line is PT. So what is the length of PT is nothing but root of S1, and root of S1 is nothing but root of the C of x1 and y1, that is put the value of x1 and y1 instead of x and y in the equation of the circle, and that is simply in the general equation of circle we can write that x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1, okay, plus 2f y1 plus c, okay. So and the interesting and important note should be noted in this point that the equation of x1 and y1, that is the coefficient of x1 and y1 should be 1. So coefficient of x1 and y1 should be 1. That is if the equation of the circle is in the form like 5x square plus 10y square plus 10x plus 25y plus 60 is equals to 0, and the point from which the tangent line is generated is nothing but 1 and 2, if it is say, then we can't put this 1 and 2 in the x and y, because we have to it is this take is 5, okay, then we can't put this 1 and 2 in this equation, because we first divide this equation by 5 and then we can get x square plus y square plus 2x plus 5y plus 12 is equals to 0, and when the coefficient of x square and y square become 1, then we can put 1 and 2 in this equation, and if we put 1 and 2 in this equation, I will get, that is the 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 into 1 plus 5 into 2 plus 12, and that is equals to 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 10 plus 12 is equals to 4, 7, and that is the 22 is equals to 29. So length of PT is nothing but root of 29.